तो सांग मैंने आज मु मोर आउ एक न्यू भिडियो आपण मानक स्वागत जनाऊँगी। तो आज सांग मैंने आपण मैंने ये भिडियो देखा पाइबे आम पॉलिटिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट रो पीजी छात्र छात्री मानकर किभली भाव में सेमिनार करा जाउची एवं एई सेमिनार रे आमर समस्त रेस्पेक्टेड एचओडी मैम डीन सर एवं आम समस्त पॉलिटिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट टीचर मानक देखा पाइबे एवं छात्र छात्री मानक देखा पाइबे एवं मु आशा करछि आपण मानक ए भिडियो निहाती भलो लागिवो। तो दया कर भिडियो को स्किप न करी संपूर्ण भाव में देखंतु। तो चलंतु भिडियो को आरंभ करिवा।
Good afternoon, respected HOD Roman sir. And now I am going to present my dissertation. Topic name is Article of Women Empowerment in Panchayat Raj Institution of Odisha, a study of Mayurbhanj district. Understanding Panchayat Raj Institution. Panchayat Raj Institution are the constituent of rural local governance in India, established under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. The grassroots democracy bodies operate at the three-tier village level, block level, and district level, bringing governance closer to the people. Village level, Gram Panchayat, local village counseling, village affairs. Block level, Panchayat.
मयूरभंज स्पेसिफिक कौन फाइंडिंग्स कर ये सब बैकग्राउंड समझते जाने जरूरी है कौन मयूरभंज स्पेसिफिक कर कौन व्हाट इज योर फाइंडिंग्स स्टडीज
and also tell your observations.
से सब लास्ट कंप्यूटर से ही कोई भी केंद्रित कर मयूरभंज का हां एटा प्रोफाइल इज ऑलराइट देन
Findings को जाओ.
go to the is closing time वाह आप कौन मयूरभंज पर कौन
Mayurbhanj district profile, geographical content. Mayurbhanj district is located in the northern Odisha, bordering Jharkhand and West Bengal, covering 10,418 square kilometers with deserts stretching from plains to hills, approximately to 280 kilometers from Bhubaneswar, the capital state. The state capital. Demographical composition. Population of approximately 2.5 million with a tribal majority. Over 60% key tribes include the Santal, Munda, Ho, Oran. It is the district maintains a healthy sex ratio 1006 female and 100 males, and overall literacy rate 64% with tribal literacy reaching 55%. The population distribution is predominantly rural, approx 90% with a young demographic profile, indicating a significant work age current. And study area. Rasamtala Panchayat is Mayurbhanj district in the state of Odisha, India. The Panchayat is rural area where agriculture is the main occupation and women actively participate in the self-help group and Panchayat Raj institution. The field study specially covered the village, four villages, Karadia, Mandua, Dharbeda and Guduma, where primary data was collected from the respondents. Rasamtala Panchayat profile. As the primary focus on the case study, Rasamtala Gram Panchayat offered the crucial lens into tribal governance and female leadership within Mayurbhanj district. Location situated in the Karanjia block, Mayurbhanj district, Odisha, highlighting the rural and geographical significance setting. Population overview. Representative census data for the Rasamtala Gram Panchayat are highlighting the gender distribution and sex ratio within a community. Total population 595, male population 773 and female population 822. And sex ratio 1063.
1000 male 1063.
It is against the run of place, sir. This is higher.
Yes, higher.
In India,
Mayurbhanj is higher.
highest, yeah.
I have been to Karanjia. I addressed that college. I will yes to that. But I know. Yes, then.
Data analysis. Social group demographic in Rasamtala Panchayat. A detailed breakdown. Rasamtala Gram Panchayat. Population across different social group, providing insight into the community composition and representation. Social group ST, SC, OBC. Total population 150 1,595. So scheduled tribe total population 466. So male population 245 and female population 221. Scheduled caste total population 280 and male population 137 and female population 143. General and OBC 849 total population, male population 391 and female population 458. And educational attainment of respondent number of 37 women participation. Understanding the educational background of participant provides crucial context for analyze women's empowerment in initiative in Dasamtala Panchayat. Education level, literacy, primary, middle class, high school, higher secondary above. Total 37 member. Literacy 4 जन 10.8%. Primary 1 to 5 class 8 जन 21.6%. Middle class 6 to 8 13 जन 35.1%. High school 9 to 10 9 जन 24.3% and higher secondary and above 3 जन 8.2%.
above by the K.
Sir, higher secondary
Higher secondary and above. Above was in part.
graduate.
Key challenges.
Key challenges: lack of awareness. Many women are not fully aware to their rights, roles and responsibility in Panchayat Raj institution.
एक मीटिंग का स्टोरी आप लोग मैं हिंदी में बोलूं बेटर रहेगा नहीं समझ लो बेटा क्वेश्चन आप
ए तीन जन भितर जड़े थे वार्ड मेंबर आउ जड़े थे एसएचजी ग्रुप रो प्रेसिडेंट आउ जड़े एमती कोऑर्डिनेटर थे वार्ड कोऑर्डिनेटर मु जते बळे जाई तांको देखा करथिनी प्रथमे तो मु कहिथिनी मु पीजी करूची ए यूनिवर्सिटी रे तो मते मोर डिजार्टेशन भाई किछि मते डाटा दरकार जोटा कि मु नै कि मु मोर आगु पढी पारिबी तो सेते बेले से मते जणै दिले मु मोर किछि क्वेश्चनरी करथिली क्वेश्चनरी फॉर्मेट रे तापर मु तांको पचारिथिली से क्वेश्चन नो आंसर कर दिले सेमती की एग्जांपल
वो जो ग्राम पंचायत का मीटिंग होता है ना बेटा देन देयर आर मेन एंड आल्सो देयर आर वुमेन तो उनका कोई स्टोरी वगैरह होता है कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ वीमेन स्टेट समथिंग एंड मेन एक्सेप्टेड ऐसा कोई स्टोरी होती है
Emerging opportunity, role of SHGs in women empowerment, self-help group provides financial support, awareness and leadership skill to women. Reservation policy, government reservation for women in Panchayat Raj institution, increase their representation in local governance. Skill development program, training and capacity building programs enhance women's confidence and decision making ability. Economic independence. SHGs improve income and savings leading to greater financial autonomy. Increasing social participation. Women are now more active in Gram Sabha meetings and community activities.
Thank you so much. Welcome, sir. Next,
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much. I'll be good, yeah.
Good afternoon, my dear respected sir, madam, senior and my dear friends. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manisha Tripura from Tripura, currently pursuing my MA in Political Science. I would also like to thank my supervisor, Dr. Rudra Narayan sir. Thank you, sir, for your guidance and support. Now I will going to present my dissertations on anti-child labor policies in India, focusing on child and adolescent labor prohibition and regulation Act 1986. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने कहा था कि बच्चा हर देश का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एसेट होता है क्योंकि उनके प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट में ही देश का फ्यूचर निर्भर होता है। अगर हम बच्चे पे इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे तो वो फ्यूचर में जाके अच्छा
Yes.
लेबर स्किल बनेगा.
Manisha, you are speaking very good English. Stick to that language. Okay.
A healthy and educated child today is active and intelligent of tomorrow. Child labor is a major issue in India. It is refers to the use of children as a source of labor while depriving them of their fundamental rights in the process. Such rights include the opportunity to enjoy their childhood, attend regular school, have peace of mind and live a dignified. इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट ने चाइल्ड लेबर को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए कुछ रूल्स बनाया है.
तो त्रिपुरा का बोलो क्या ये हालत क्या है त्रिपुरा?
सर त्रिपुरा में
वही बोले हम खुश हो जाएंगे वही बोलो.
सर त्रिपुरा में कंपेयर टू अदर स्टेट थोड़ा सा चाइल्ड लेबर कम दिखा है सर.
त्रिपुरा में
हाँ सर. क्योंकि सर वहाँ पे 100% इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रेट मतलब लिटरेसी रेट हो गया है अभी
त्रिपुरा.
हाँ सर.
राइट.
बस सर मैं जब भी बाहर ट्रैवल वगैरह करने जाती हूँ तो मैं ट्रेन स्टेशन वगैरह में बच्चे को काम करते हुए देखती हूँ, भीख मांगते हुए देखती हूँ और होटल वगैरह में बच्चों को काम करते हुए देखती हूँ. तो मुझे ये देखकर बहुत ज्यादा बुरा लगा सर, इसलिए मैंने ये टॉपिक किया.
नहीं त्रिपुरा का बात थोड़ा बोलो.
सर कंपेयर टू अदर स्टेट मैंने थोड़ा सा कम देखा, पर वहाँ पे भी कुछ बच्चे हैं तो हमारे वहाँ पे रबर प्लांटेशन वगैरह होते हैं सर, वहाँ भी इसमें काम करते हैं बच्चे लोग. मैंने ये देखा जिसकी वजह से उन लोगों के एजुकेशन वगैरह में बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट आता है.
गवर्नमेंट का ये वहाँ का क्या एफर्ट है त्रिपुरा में?
सर हाँ गवर्नमेंट फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी एजुकेशन लगाया है और ऐसे मिड डे मील वो स्कीम लगाया है ताकि बच्चे को खाना देने.
So child labor scenario is little bit.
और NCLP स्कीम भी लगाया है ताकि बच्चों को वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग एजुकेशन और हेल्थ
कॉन्शियसनेस among the people
हाँ सर है वो थोड़ा अवेयरनेस है लोगों में
ज्यादा है.
हाँ थोड़ा ज्यादा है. सारे हमारे पेरेंट्स को सब लोग चाहते हैं कि अपने बच्चे इंग्लिश मीडियम में लिखे ताकि आगे जाके कुछ अच्छा करें.
Sir, this is the department related to me. It's not my only.
Yeah, you are happy. Okay.
Very good afternoon, respected professors. I am Sanjuli Ghatri. I am going to present on the role of government in promoting socio-economic development on Lakshmipur block, which is present in Koraput district of Odisha.
Next
In a
lecture.
short period of time, I have done my field work especially on socio-economic structure of Lakshmipur block and some comments here. Like socio-economic structure, basically in the Lakshmipur blocks, people, 80% people depends on agriculture and migration, then 9%, and wage labor 8%, and
Slide because
that is not very.
because
And I have taken study area for villages, and 4 villages name are Ukurputinga, Balingi, Dolaputinga, and Sapangba. So, and maximum 4 villages depends on agriculture for the associated economic structure, and wage labor Ukurputinga are farming 8%, and wage labor 9%. Forest based economic 1%, migration 9%, and service sector only 1%. And Balingi 85% farming, 4% wage labor, forest based economic 2%, migration 8%, service sector 1%. Dolaputinga 8% farming, 9% wage labor, 1% forest based economy, and migration 8%, service sector 2%. Sapangba only the total population 100, small village, and 90% farming, and 5% wage labor, 1% forest based economy, 4% migration, and it is 0% service. And these are the photo I have taken
economic development of those areas primarily depends upon agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Role of a government to promote agriculture.
There are some role of like MNREGA,
Jiramji Egalan.
yes, and self-help group for women, and there are so many other sectors. But people of that areas all are not about the skills,
Low awareness.
the awareness. And recently there is awareness is increasing in 2025, but before there was no awareness.
SSG is increasing the awareness.
Yes, sir. And for SSG, there are some like SSG. I have taken 4 villages SSG group. You were putting 8 groups. There are 8 groups, and there are they have taking loans from bank, and they are using for investment. Like they are going Tamari investment, and they are selling, and they are getting employing themselves.
Micro businesses, sir.
Yes, sir.
Micro business.
And Dorobudi also 6 groups, and Balini has 4 groups, Lakshmipur has 10 groups.
Economic development primarily depends upon agriculture. Mostly on agriculture. What is the social development? What do you mean by social development?
Society very depends on income. People's awareness.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. ट्राइबल एजुकेशन कौन ताको स्टेटस से काम
Sir, in case the district wise figures तो अगर नहीं, state wise figures यदि किसी अच्छी
तो मम्मी को जाके जाने से कहलु
state wise figures
being a woman କେଉଁଥର କଣ status ଝିଅ ମାନଙ୍କର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କର ଲିଟରାସି କଣ କେମିତି କଣ କରିବ ଇ ତ ନିଜେ ଗୋଟେ ଝିଅ ଓଡିଆରେ କହ ଇଂଲିଶ ଦରକାର ଝିଅ ମାନଙ୍କର ଏଜୁକେସନ ଲେଭେଲ ବଢିଛି ନା ନାହିଁ ସ୍କୁଲ କୁ ସେମିତି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ
language barrier, medical location, poverty, lack of facilities, lack of awareness.
ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଉପରେ କହ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ବ୍ୟାରିୟର
Language barrier है
ମାନେ ନିଜ ମନକୁ କହୁନୁ ତୁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ବ୍ୟାରିୟର କହୁନୁ ଆମେ ବୁଝିପାରିବୁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ବ୍ୟାରିୟର କଣ
ତମର
ଅଛି
ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ କଣ ତମର ସେଠିକାର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ
ନିଜ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ମାନେ
ହଁ
ସେମାନେ ନିଜ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜରେ ହିଁ ଅଧିକ
କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହୁଅନ୍ତି।
କରନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସ୍କୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକରେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ପଢା ହୁଏ ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ
କଥାଟା ତ ସେଇଆ ଆଉ କହିପାରୁନୁ କଣ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
ବୁଝିପାରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ
ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ଚାଲିଛି ଯେ ସବୁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜରେ ପାଠ ପଢା ହବ ଖାଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଟ୍ସ ନଟ୍ ପସିବଲ ସବୁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜରେ ପଢେଇ ପାରିବେ ତାଙ୍କର ସ୍କ୍ରିପ୍ଟ ଦରକାର ଖାଲି କହିଦେଲେ ହବ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଏ ଜେନ୍ୟୁଇନ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ତାଙ୍କ ମଦର ଟଙ୍ଗ ହେଲା ଅଲଗା ପଢିବେ ଓଡିଆରେ ତାକୁ ପଢା ହଉଛି ଓଡିଆରେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ
Sir, that is a political goal which is easier said than done. ସବୁ language speak में कौन पढ़ा हुआ
ଦୂରରେ ଅଛି
ସ୍କୁଲ କୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସ୍କୁଲ କୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା ହୁଅନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଠିକ ସେ
ଯୋଉ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଲୋକମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ପଠେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ନା ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ନୁହଁ
ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଏଜୁକେସନ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ କାମ କରିକି ଚଳନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମତେ ପାଣି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଶିକ୍ଷାର
इसमें there is one problem involved here. I want a clarification from you. What is the clarification? The clarification is earlier transgender was not considered as a gender. ठीक बोला ना गलत बोला? They are not considered as a gender earlier. And they are suppressed by the people, ridiculed by the people, misbehaved and misused by the people. When they were recognized as a gender, so when the medical evidence came, that no. They are created by special gene. Therefore, they are unique. It isn't gender. Therefore, it became transgender. It is the medical evidence which says that yes, transgender is a problem. So if the government says you go and for a certification, what is wrong in it? You go to a doctor for certification, what is wrong in it? Now the transgender are reluctant to go to a doctor.
Yes, sir.
Everybody can claim that I am a transgender.
Yes.
You get the benefit. Everybody will say that I am a transgender, even in fact he is not a transgender. So how do government know that he is transgender or she is transgender? So medical evidence is required. Why they are objecting this?
Limitation of self-reliance and
Thank you so much. It's a very good, very sensitive issue. And you have chosen very, very sensitive issue. You can pursue your PhD on this also. Thank you so much. Thank you. In the introduction itself, you may write a statement of the problem. Because you are not that critical. When you go for PhD, you have to be very rigorous on this. You write the objectives of the study.
तो फाइनाली सांगमाने आपण मान तो संपूर्ण भाव में देखिले जे हम पॉलिटिकल साइंस डिपार्टमेंट पीजी भाई भौणी मानकर किभली भाव में सेमिनार पालन करा गला। तो आपण मान वीडियो केमी लागला कमेंट निहाती जणाइबे एवं जदि आपण मान एभली वीडियो देखा भल लगुच तो मो चैनल टी निश्चय भाव में सब्सक्राइब करदेबे एवं एति मो मोर वीडियो टी समाप्त करूची। धन्यवाद।